For number 5, it says find the area of a rectangle with a width of 4.8 feet and a height of 2.4 feet. It doesn't say estimate or about anywhere on here, so we're not rounding. We're going to find the exact answer. To find the area of a rectangle, you multiply length times width. So I have 0.48 feet times 2.4 feet. When we're multiplying with decimals, we're going to ignore those decimals to multiply. So I have 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 3 is 19. I'm moving on to my next place value, so I put down a place value 0. 2 times 8 is 16, I'm going to carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. And then I'll add those numbers together. I have 1152. Now I need to look at where I put my decimal, and I had one digit behind my decimal and in the first factor, and then another one in the second factor, so 2 digits are behind the decimal total. I always start from the right hand side to place that decimal, so my answer is 11.52 feet squared. One thing I can do is estimate to check. If I were to estimate, 4.8 would be around 5, 2.4 would be around 2. My estimated area should be somewhere near 10 feet squared, and 11.52 is very close to that.